How I feel when a nigga make noise. Better chill before I come on homeboy. I hate when that bitch make noise. Sound like a brat throwing around toys. How I feel when a nigga make noise. Better chill before I come on homeboy. I hate when that bitch make noise. Sound like a brat throwing around toys. Come on, y'all, little Pamela. Come on, dog in the hood, little Spanish, little bitch, little massacre. Come on, dog, massacre, little bitch, little nigga. Can I test it, little something? Come on, dog, cause you sit down, bitch. Come on, dog, real quick up in the game, cause every time you ready to stand up, you don't sound like you throwing bricks. It's like you sound like your little kids. Come on, dog in the hood, look at you and that little bitch that you call Martina. Yeah, little granny, little bitch, little nigga. Come around, son, can't stand me. Little pistol in the game, in the basement. Always acting hard in the game, son. Always just speaking the true statements. Yeah, about them haters right there, son. They run to get the brace bent. I want a dog with your face and with the bracelets. The little niggas that coming around, son, like I'm on probation. They come with dog. You ever see the problems are rotating? You ever know about my mind, motherfucker? And I cannot take it. These little niggas that come around. Pamela in the hood, son. Sit your little clown ass down with your big titty ass. Come around the hood. Yeah, I wanna suck some shits in the hood. When you take it to the city where we have a blast. Little niggas that come around with, I can show you how to make your ass laugh. I feel when a nigga make noise. Better chill before I come on homeboy. I hate when that bitch make noise. Sound like a brat throwing around toys. I feel when a nigga make noise. Better chill before I come on homeboy. I hate when that bitch make noise. Sound like a brat throwing around toys. Next victim that I hate. Come around the game in the hood. First dog, I thought she was great. Come on, dog, Martina. Old head again that day called Little Uma. Uma dog from Germany, son. Now they sipping the Martina in the hood, son. Now dog, let's team up. Uma dog bust her in the head with a bunch of sluts. Uma dog front her in the dead. Come on, dog, now see she wanna feel that. Go ahead, lay in the bed. But she instead she wanna lay upstairs in that motherfucking sofa. Come around the hood in the couch. Come on, dog, let me offer her. Come on, dog, some hell, son, with a little belly in the pouch. Come on, dog, yeah, with a baby in that sun now, with the food in the mouth. Come on, dog, but instead, yo, she really get on my nerves like she run this house. Come on, run the hood, so I can't stand that. Run the motherfucking mouth like a fucking, yeah, talking about she wanna give me advice about keeping the job in the game. Talking about nigga with attitude, yeah, keep that to yourself, man. I'm like, hold the fuck up. Who the hell you talking to, you little old slut? I'm a grown man in the hood, don't you get it? I'm not that nigga James, I ain't your grandson, I ain't no kid in the game. Come on, dog, you better recognize I'm the kid with the gun in his hand, but that will take you out. Bitch, motherfucker in the hood, so I'm saying what I say, and I'm saying it out loud. Ain't no playing around here. All y'all motherfuckers, both y'all niggas upstairs making all that noise, sound like a bunch of rugrats. Come on, dog, and then you hear my voice dishing y'all pussies back. Come on, dog, in the hood, son, now push the fat, the pistol in the game, son, push her on the edge, she just too fat, talking about going on a diet. When I tell her she need to lose her weight, son, then she started crying so quick, motherfucker, I don't care about your tits, cause you already know the business with me, a little pistol in the game, son, ain't no game, yeah, ain't finished on this beat, come on, dog, I just started, come on, run the game, son, now I get it started. How I feel when a nigga make noise. Better chill before I come on homeboy. I hate when that bitch make noise. Sound like a brat throwing around toys. How I feel when a nigga make noise. Better chill before I come on homeboy. I hate when that bitch make noise. Sound like a brat throwing around toys. Back to the little Pamela. I see you standing next to that nigga James, young. I can't stand that, young. Come on, dog, once you back on me, young. Let's play the sass games. Let me show you how I get around this game. First of all, yeah, give me brains. Come on, dog, get on your knees. Don't say a thing. And if you say something, man, you already know what it mean. Come on, dog, I'm a ball in my hands. You better, yeah, impress me, yeah. Call me daddy, yeah. Call me sexy. Why don't you address me? I don't feel like doing it. Come on, run the game. What you doing in the hood, sound? Watch me feel like making you moan, yeah. You already know I'm making you come, yeah, the bust a type of nuts, so I put my fucking tongue in your butt. Come on, dog, look at this little slut, she's so nasty. Come on, run the hood, son, come on, so classy. Come on, dog, like she wanna ask me, yeah, did it give her the diggity dick? Come on, run the hood, son, slim in there, suck your double tits. Come around, son, I'm from the city, son, you know what it is. Come on, dog, you from Mexico, Lord dog at Salvador, no whore in the game, son. Go there next to the door right here, young. Let me open up. I'm a dog, I let it in, son. Then close it shut. I'm a dog in the hood, son. The chose to be a slut. Yeah, I see that. I'm a run the game, son. I see you keep on coming back, cause you want that dick. Yeah, we know it's all black. I'm this young nigga right here, son. Keeping the gangsters young. Always talking about the strap. You always hit me rap. Come on, dog. Yeah, and then you wanna this clap your little hands like it did. They were trying to be a give me applause, son. Like you trying to cheer young. Like you wanna be my little friend. Come on, dog. Now whatever with that, they ain't special. Come around the game, son. I tell you, I'ma tear you up, young, with the facts, young. I'ma do it, young, so professional, yeah, with the help. Cause you already know the business from the unit game. I'm the unit man. Come on, dog. Yeah, and I ain't new in the stain. This little nigga come around the way, shooting the man, shooting out your brain. Come on, dog. You nosy as fuck. Once you sit your little ass down, if I touch you up. Come on, dog, like a haircut. Come around the hood, son, Pamela, yeah, like the Anderson. Come around the hood, yeah. Come on, dog, and hand you something in your hand. Come on, dog, yeah, a little dick. Come on, dog, with no condom, son, there. Put it in your pussy quick. Come on, dog, ready bust, son. Yeah, get down with it too, bitch. I don't give a fuck about your feelings or your thoughts. I told you how I get with the villain in my heart. You already know we in the same building. Little kid, children, little nigga, don't stop. How I feel when a nigga made noise. Better chill before I come on, homeboy. I hate when that bitch made noise. Sound like a breath on a toy. How I feel when a nigga made noise. Better chill before I come on, homeboy. I hate when that bitch made noise. Sound like a breath on a toy. Martina, the little bitch from Germany. I hope you go back to Germany, cause I can't stand you a German. Come on, dog, goddamn. What's up with you, that noise you make it, son? Damn, man. You acting like you's the only one living in this house. Come on, run the game, don't you know it's other people in this bitch? Come on, dog, yeah, don't tell me to watch my mouth, cause I'll tell you what I say. Well, this is what I'm talking about, it's a warning. And if you don't listen, son, everyone catch up on it. Come on, dog, gonna be dead in the morning. Come on, dog, don't give a fuck about your grandson or your motherfucking daughter that she got, you know, and then she looking, yeah, like she think the boy is handsome. Come on, dog, man, and standing, looking dressed, son. Come on, dog, you already know I'm getting fucked up with it. Come on, dog, the nigga with it too. I had enough of this game. Come on, dog, you piss me off every day, young. This a shame. Come on, dog, I got no place to go. You already know in the hood, but if I gotta go somewhere, son, you going with me, young. Head to the death. Come on, dog, cemetery, about to get your ass buried there. Come on, dog, sitting in the hood with the sodas left. These motherfuckers in the hood wanna see me turn a mess, so we know this is how I get down. MLB rapping. Come on, dog, this is how I do, nigga. I'm the weapon, the gun in the hand, little pistol in the hood, human made, little nigga, young, yeah, grown man still standing. And y'all niggas thinking this a joke. Come on, dog, on the hood, son, yeah, on the hood, young. Look at niggas think I'm good, son, cause I stay so quiet. That's what I should do. Try to copy off of me, try it. Come around, son, pop the heat, young. Now y'all niggas looking slide quick. I'm on the hood, dog, you ever know, young. It ain't no game around here. How I feel when a nigga made noise. Better chill before I come on, homeboy. I hate when that bitch made noise. Sound like a breath on a toy. How I feel when a nigga made noise. Better chill before I come on, homeboy. I hate when the bitch made noise. Sound like a breath on a toy. And ever since Pamela, bitch ass came in the house, that nigga James ever fist his mask, young Dean, he started to open his motherfucking mouth and running. They come and run away, talking about that little nigga pistol still coming in. Come on, dog, I hate that nigga. I love his money, though. Come on, dog, like I'm a gold digger, yeah. They talking about burn me under the floor. Yeah, I'm talking about James. Come on, dog, yeah, and hey, low. That's what he think when he see me. Come on, dog, evidence. Come on, dog, yeah, like I'm watching TV. Come on, son, and see me. Come around the hood, dog, niggas watching DVD. Come on, dog, PS4. That's what I play every time. I always think about killing horse. Come on, dog, that I live with. Come on, dog, I'm chill kid. Come around the hood and they say while I'm sizzling. Come on, dog, I'm around with the heat, with the grizzling. Little niggas that come around the hood in the mean, You know niggas that come around the hood like some children. Coming down the hood, son, you already know young with their little friend. And look at them, yeah, they got each other now, but they motherfucking cussing each other. Last night, yeah, I heard them fucking niggas arguing and fussing. That girl Pamela tried to pack up her little clothes like she about to dip out, and trust man, she not. A little pussy bitch, now she gonna get chased by the block, chased by the cops, man. You might think she getting chased by the police. The way the nigga James come around trying to be a pops. Come on, dog, and show me the keys. Come on, dog, cause you ain't gonna do nothing. Come around kissing her ass, that's just all you do, dog. Yeah, you dumb, man. Come on, dog, look at you. Yeah, I got that skills too. Come on the hood side, been in a situation. Come around and I sit on the bitch's face now, man. Cause I don't give a fuck about nothing. Nigga come around, dog, know this how I done it. Little pistol in this motherfucker in the hood, dog. Yeah, I'm down with this music game, down with the drums in my hand. Motherfucker, I'm the king with it, motherfucker. MLB, my life. Stock the game up like I do, like I'm stacking up money, like I had a price to do this, then to do that. These motherfuckers in the hood for these new cats, these new rock rats in their room with, yeah, sit their ass down, so that's how I get them back. Yeah, how I feel when a nigga made noise. Better chill before I come on, boy. I hate when that bitch made noise. Sound like a brat throwing around toys. How I feel when a nigga made noise. Better chill before I come home, boy. I hate when a bitch made noise. Sound like a brat throwing around toys. How I feel when a nigga made noise. Better chill before I come home, boy. I hate when a bitch made noise. Sound like a brat throwing around toys. How I feel when a nigga made noise. Better chill before I come home, boy. I hate when a bitch made noise. Sound like a brat throwing around toys. East Coast, nigga. 2019, motherfucker. That's what y'all get, bitch ass, hoe ass.